did genocide to Oromo people are known by his cruelty and inhuman to be most respected, honored and celebrated. We never had in the history of the world a man celebrated for committing a genocide. Neither we had German people celebrating Hitler. Today, Hachalu Hundessa, the young man who always stood against the Dagabruma by his ability and talent, was killed just because he mentioned about their Mililik's cruelty. And the most heartbreaking thing is they opened the gunshot on the people who were escorting Hachalu's last journey. They said we cannot bury Hachalu's body in Handura Oromia Finfinne, but only where they decide. This cold government among killed many youth who were expressing their sorrow. This so-called government killed many youth. Our heart is still crying for the late Hachalu, and they are killing our youth and arresting our eyes, activist, political analyst, freedom fighter Jawar Muhammad, Bakala Garba, Hamza Borana, and Omen staff, and so many others. They shut down internet so that the world doesn't see what they're doing, and they're killing whom they're killing. So I want every Oromo individual to reflect back and ask themselves, what's next? Oromo across the globe, stop criticizing each other and start working together. I want to call upon Hayu Oromo, Jaina, Duresa, Abotia Manta to work together on this and to fight against this, because if we are silent about what's happening now, our lives is going to lose lives and they will kill many and act as if nothing happened. We need to show them our lives value. Our lives has value and our lives matter too. Oromo people's lives matter. Youth, elders, we ask you to join us today to become the collective voice for oppressed people across Oromia in our fight against the injustice that they have to endure every day. My wish for Oromo people is freedom. Freedom to think, freedom to live. Kero and Kare, keep doing what you're doing. Oromia will be a better place because of you. Thank you.